Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue on Among Us using Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will take you to your list of installed games. Now, I don't actually have Among Us in my library list, but I'll walk you through the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Among Us installed so you can see exactly what to do. Right-click on Among Us from your library, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open up a new window with various settings for the game. Now, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off. Turning off the Steam overlay can help resolve the crashing issue, as it sometimes conflicts with how the game renders its graphics. This simple change can make a significant difference in eliminating that frustrating black screen. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Installed Files. This section contains several maintenance options for your game. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check your game files for any corruption or missing data and automatically repair them if needed. Wait for this verification to complete, as it might take a minute or two depending on your system. If you're still experiencing the black screen issue after these steps, we need to adjust some Steam settings. In the upper left corner, click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open your main Steam settings window. In the left sidebar, click on Interface. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views Requires Restart, and toggle it off. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to restart Steam now. Go ahead and click Restart Now to apply these changes. Also, you need to update your GPU drivers, since old drivers often prevent the black screen issue from being resolved. After you update your GPU drivers, make sure to restart your PC. This ensures all the changes take effect properly and gives your system a fresh start to work with the updated drivers and settings. And that's it! You've addressed the black screen issue on Among Us by disabling Steam Overlay, verifying your game files, turning off GPU accelerated rendering, and updating your drivers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.